Hello, my name is Colette and I am a yoga teacher from the UK, currently living and teaching yoga in Copenhagen in Denmark. And I have just finished hosting my wonderful autumn retreat here at the Atlas Kasbah. It has been the most magical experience and everyone here has just been so blown away by the place, the complete magic that this place has, the staff, the service, everyone has been so attentive and just made us feel incredible the whole journey. And I actually found this place on Instagram in lockdown. I did some Instagram searching and stumbled across this gem. And from the start, it's just been so easy, so amazing to communicate, and everyone has been so helpful. Helen and Hassan have just made this experience amazing. And traveling to Morocco, now that things are opening up again, it was actually a really simple and quite easy to get in. And it just felt so safe to be here. And we've all had the trip that we needed. And I think everyone needs to come here and host a retreat, come to a retreat, just come and experience the true beauty of this place.